Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. It's a sharp 2014 Ram Promaster 2500 cargo van. This is the big one. It's a 159-inch wheelbase and the high top. I've sold quite a few of these. They're practical, great vehicle. Many companies use them. This one was loaded with options. Got the backup camera, navigation, Bluetooth. Got all the bells and whistles. Keyless, remote entry. It's got the 16-inch aluminum wheels. It's a little cold today, so I got it running. It is a one-owner clean Carfax Tennessee vehicle. This one has the power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Got the power folding mirrors too. They fold in. So, got the nice durable, looks like leather but it's not. The Mercedes seat actually. It's got the side airbag. Very durable and comfortable. It's got the rubber floor. It's only got 62,981 miles. Low miles. It's got the trip computer, outside temperature. This one has the cruise control. It's got the audio control and steering wheel. Bluetooth for your phone. There's your shifter, 6-speed automatic transmission. Climate control. Navigation systems based on a TomTom. Also got your backup camera. You can hook up your phone for media. A couple outlets. I actually got 3 keys for this vehicle. There's one ignition and 2 here. Owner's manual. Original window sticker. As you can see, this one's got quite a few options. Brings the price to 37 grand, so tremendous saving considering it's got low miles and still in very good shape. Just had it serviced. There's a clipboard. There's storage on the roof here. Easy access. It's got the option of wood floor. These things are huge. I mean, you can walk standing up. I'm 6 foot tall and you can walk standing up. It's 12 foot long. Lots of room. These doors open past the 90. So you got one big opening. They make RVs out of these. Body's in good shape. Clean, good shape, ready for work. It's got a 3.6 liter V6, plenty of power, fuel efficient and reliable. If you're looking for a sharp work van in excellent condition at an affordable price, this is it. To see if this ProMaster is still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. I do have competitive financing available with low interest rate and good terms. I have a credit application on my website. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, or if you have any other question, you can call or text anytime, 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.